everyone, welcome back to our channel English Up by Lakshmi. How are you all? I hope all are doing great. Yeah, today I would like to share about a small story. The story title is Change Yourself and Not the World. Long ago, people lived happily under the rule of a king. The people of the kingdom were very happy as they led a very prosperous life with an abundance of wealth and no misfortunes. Once the king decided to go visiting places of historical importance and pilgrim centers at distant places. He decided to travel by foot to interact with his people. People of distant places were very happy to have a conversation with her king. They were proud that their king had a kind heart. After several weeks of travel, the king returned to the palace. He was quite happy that he had visited many pilgrim centers and witnessed his people leading a prosperous life. However, he had one regret. He had intolerable pain in his feet as it was his first trip by foot. Next, covering a long distance, he complained to his ministers that the roads weren't comfortable and that they were very stony. He couldn't tolerate the pain. He said that he was very much worried about the people who had to walk along those roads as it would be painful for them too. Considering all this, he ordered his servants to cover the roads in the whole country with leather so that the people of his kingdom can walk comfortably. The king's ministers were stunned to hear his order, as it would mean that thousands of cows would have to be slaughtered in order to get sufficient quantity of leather, and it would be cost a huge amount of money also. Finally, a wise man from the ministry came to the king and said that he had another idea. The king asked what the alternative was. The minister said, instead of covering the instead of covering the roads with leather, why don't you just have a piece of leather cut in appropriate shape to cover your feet? The king was very much surprised, but his suggestion and applauded the wisdom of the minister. He ordered a pair of leather shoes for himself and requested all his countrymen also to wear shoes. Like a moral of this story is instead of trying to change the world, we should try to change ourselves. It's better to try change ourselves instead of saying to others. Yeah, no, I wanna share some new words from this story. First one, prosperous. It's an adjective. It means successful, usually by earning a lot of money. For instance, in a prosperous way, country like this, no one should go hungry. Maybe like that country is like going successfully and using by earning a lot of money. Maybe like no whoever is living in that country, like one should go. There is no hunger in that country. Why? Because of it's a prosperous, successful country. Next one, abundance. It's a noun. It means the situation in which there is more than enough of something. For instance, there was an abundance of food at the wedding. Abundance means like no more than that, like a high amount. Third word, pilgrim. It's a noun. It means a person who makes a journey, often a long and a difficult one, to a special place for religious reasons. Okay, pilgrim. Pilgrim is just like noun. Yeah, a fourth one, witnessed. It's a noun. It means a person who sees an event happening, or especially a crime or an accident. For instance, she was witness to the tragic event. Fifth word, intolerable. It's an adjective. It means too bad or unpleasant to deal with or accept. For instance, the constant fighting made life at home intolerable. Nowadays, just because of COVID 19, almost all people are staying at home, and like, no, this is fighting, made their life intolerable, particularly children. Yeah, next word, slattered. It's an adjective, it means extremely drunk. For instance, Tony got absolutely slattered. Next word, applauded. It's a verb, it means to show enjoyment or approval of something, such as a performance of speech by clapping the hands repeatedly to make a noise. For instance, she was applauded for a full 5 minutes after her speech. Like, no, yeah, this is new words from this story. I hope you love this story. Please, if you love this story, please comment drop the message in comment box. Yeah, thank you for watching, and have a great day to you all. And keep smiling, and keep sharing, keep learning. Stay home, stay safe. Have a great day to you all. Thanks again. Thanks for watching. Have a great day to you all. Bye bye. Let's catch up with another new video. Bye. Take care, all of you.